Mandatory documents required for ISO 27001-2022 certification. A complete guide for organizations seeking Information Security Management System certification. Presented by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Hello everyone and welcome to another professional knowledge session from URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. In today's digital era, information is one of the most valuable assets of any organization. Cyber threats, data breaches, ransom attacks, and regulatory requirements are increasing every day, making information security management more critical than ever. This is where ISO 27001-2022, the internationally recognized information security management system standard, plays a vital role. Many organizations ask us what documents are required for ISO 27001 certification, which documents are mandatory, how much documentation is needed, can a small company achieve ISO 27001 certification, how can documentation be simplified. In this video, we will discuss all the mandatory documented information required by ISO 27001-2022 and explain how URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited can help organizations achieve successful certification with confidence. What is ISO 27001-2022? ISO 27001-2022 is the international standard for establishing, implementing, maintaining, and continually improving an information security management systems or ISMS. The standard helps organizations protect confidential information, ensure data integrity, improve information availability, manage cyber risks, meet customer and regulatory requirements, enhance stakeholder confidence, support digital transformation initiatives. Organizations of all sizes and sectors can implement ISO 27001, including IT companies, software developers, manufacturing industries, hospitals, banks and financial institutions, educational institutions, BPOs and KPOs, cloud service providers, government agencies, engineering companies. Is documentation important? Absolutely. ISO 27001-2022 follows a risk-based approach and requires organizations to maintain documented information that demonstrates the effectiveness of their information security management system. Documentation provides evidence during internal audits, external certification audits, customer assessments, regulatory inspections. Now, mandatory document number 1, scope of ISMS. Clause 4.3. The organization must define and document boundaries of ISMS, physical locations, products and services, departments included, example, design, development and maintenance of software solutions from head office and data center locations. This document is extremely important because it determines the applicability of certification. Now, mandatory document number 2, information security policy. What is this? Clause 5.2. This is the top level policy approved by management. It demonstrates commitment to confidentiality, integrity, availability, compliance obligations, control improvement. The information security policy serves as the foundation of the ISMS. Now, next is mandatory document number 3, information security risk assessment process. What is this? This is as per clause 6.1.2. Organizations must define risk identification methodology, risk analysis criteria, risk evaluation criteria, risk acceptance criteria. This document explains how risks are managed systematically. Now, next is mandatory documentation number 4, information security risk treatment process. Clause 6.1.3. This procedure defines risk treatment options, controls plan implementation, responsibilities, risk acceptance methods. Risk treatment forms the backbone of ISO 27001 implementation. The next is mandatory document number 5, statement of applicability SOA. Clause 6.1.3d. This is one of the most important documents in ISO 27001. It contains Annex A controls, applicability status, reasons for inclusion or exclusion, implementation status. Auditors pay special attention to the statement of applicability. Without SOA, certification is impossible. Then next is mandatory document number 6, information security objectives. Clause 6.2. Organizations should establish measurable objectives such as zero major information security incidents, 100% backup in completion, employee awareness training completion, reduction in cyber vulnerabilities. Objectives should be measurable and monitored periodically. The next is mandatory document number 7, evidence of competence. Clause 7.2. Organizations must maintain records of employee qualifications, awareness programs, training records, competence evaluations. People are the first line of defense in information security. Then next is mandatory document number 8, operational planning and control. Clause 8.1. Organizations should maintain documented information demonstrating controlled operations, security processes, monitoring mechanisms. These records provide evidence that the ISMS is functioning effectively. Mandatory document number 9, risk assessment results. Clause 8.2. The organization must maintain records of identified threats, vulnerabilities, impact analysis, risk ratings. These records demonstrate risk-based thinking. Then next is mandatory document number 10, risk statement plan. Clause 8.3. This document contains actions to address risks, responsible persons, completion timelines, status of controls. Risk statement plans are essential for control improvement. Then next is mandatory document number 11, monitoring and measurement results. Clause 9.1. Organizations should maintain records related to security incidents, KPIs, performance indicators, monitoring reports. These records demonstrate system effectiveness. Mandatory document number 12, internal audit program and reports. Clause 9.2. As per this, ISO 27001 requires organizations to conduct internal audits periodically. Documentation includes audit schedules, audit checklists, findings, non-conformities, corrective actions. Internal audits prepare organizations for certification audits. The next is mandatory document number 13, management review records. Clause 9.3. As per clause 9.3. So here, top management must review the ISMS periodically. Minutes should include audit results, risks and opportunities, objectives, achievement, resource requirements, improvement opportunities. Management review demonstrates leadership commitment. Then next is mandatory document number 14, non-conformity and corrective action records. Clause 10.1. Organizations should maintain records of incidents, root cause analysis, corrective actions, verification of effectiveness. Control improvement is a key requirement of ISO 27001. Then next is additional documents commonly maintained. Although not explicitly mandatory, most organizations maintain asset register, information assets, servers, applications, databases, laptops, mobile devices. Access control policy, password controls, user management, authorization mechanisms. Backup policy, backup schedules, retention periods, recovery methods. Incident management procedure, reporting mechanisms, response actions, escalation processes. Business continuity plan, disaster recovery plan, emergency response, recovery procedures. Supplier security policy, third-party security requirements, vendor assessments. Acceptable use policy, employee responsibilities, internet usage, email usage, data handling. Mobile device policy, remote working controls, laptop security, mobile access controls. The next is information classification policy, public, internal, confidential, restricted information, all that. Now let us see common mistakes organizations make. Many organizations fail because they create excessive documentation, copy templates without implementation, ignore risk assessment, forget employee awareness, conduct poor internal audits, lack management involvement. Remember, ISO 27001 certification is not about paperwork. Please keep this in mind. It is about creating an effective information security management system. Okay. Next is how URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited can help. At URGS International, we provide complete support for ISO 27001 2022 implementation and certification, including gap analysis, documentation support, risk assessment and SOA preparation, awareness training, internal audit training, internal audits, certification support, cyber security best practices, online and on-site consulting, integrated management system support. Now, why choose URGS International? Experienced consultants and auditors, practical and simplified documentation, cost-effective solutions, fast implementation, global support, customized documentation, training and certification assistance, customer focused approach. Our objective is simple: to make ISO 27001 certification practical, effective, and value driven for organizations worldwide. At last conclusion, ISO 27001 2022 certification is more than a certificate. It demonstrates your organization's commitment to information security, customer confidence, business continuity, and control improvement. With proper documentation, risk-based thinking, and expert guidance, any organization can successfully achieve ISO 27001 certification. If your organization is planning for ISO 27001 2022 certification, URG's International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is ready to support you at every step of the way. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more professional videos on ISO standards, certification, governance, risk management, and business excellence. See you in the next video. Thank you.